So we'll have to find out the surface area of this three-dimensional shape. This particular three-dimensional shape has a cone. So what is a cone? This one that you are looking at. We have to find out the surface area of the cone, okay, this area, as well as the surface area of the circle. If we can find out the surface area of the cone and surface area of the circle, we will be able to find out the total surface area for this particular three-dimensional shape. So we know that the surface area of the cone is pi RL, and the surface area of the surface area of the circle is pi r square. What is r here? R is the radius here. Okay, r is the radius here. So which one is the radius? We can see this is the radius, which is 5 centimeter. Now what is the 13 centimeter? 13 centimeter is the length. Okay, now let's find out the surface area of the cone. So which is pi r and l. Okay, so this is pi and r is radius, so into 5 cm into l is length, which is 13 cm. Okay, so now we can write it as 65 pi, because 13 into 5 is 65, so 65 pi centimeter square. Let's find out this answer in terms of the pi. Now let's find out the surface area of the circle. We know that the surface area of the circle is pi r square, where r is the radius, and we know that the radius is 5 centimeter. Okay, so now if I write pi r square, so I can write it pi r is 5 square, so this is pi 25. Okay, now we know that the surface area of the cone is 65 pi and the surface area of the circle is 25 pi. Okay, now if we add the surface area of the cone and the surface area of the circle, we will be able to find out the surface area of the three-dimensional shape. So now what we know 65 pi plus 25 pi. So if you add this, you will find it as 90 pi. So we know the surface area of this three-dimensional shape is 90 pi.